Tripti, welcome on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
आज मुश्किल है कल थोड़ा बेहतर होगा। आज मुश्किल है कल थोड़ा बेहतर होगा, तो उम्मीद मत छोड़ना, कल ज़रूर बेहतरीन होगा। A very pleasant good morning to all of you. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today I am representing my thoughts, my ideas in front of you, that where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. If you're dreaming something and do nothing to achieve it, you most likely fail. On the other hand, if you continuously work on your goal and focus on your goal, you definitely, absolutely achieve your goal. For example, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, he is the biggest motivational actor of our Bollywood industry. He rejected many times for his heavier voice, and now he is famous for his heavier voice. Another example, Shah Rukh Khan. He came Mumbai with empty hands. He had nothing to do leave, and he had only one goal. He had only one way, that he become a doctor. He become an actor, and now he is the biggest and motivational actor of our Bollywood industry. MS Dhoni. You all know about who is he. He served as ticket checker in a railways, and now he doesn't need any identity. He doesn't need any introduction. Whole the world know who is MS Dhoni. And recently you saw an example of a Prime Minister, Mr. Damodar Narendra Modi, from a tea shop to be a Prime Minister. He motivate himself.
Tripti, all right, all the best. Right. It was really incredible. Right. All the people, please sit on your seats and observe. Could you switch on all the lights, please, Prashant? All the buttons of that. But don't switch on the fan. Yes, this will give more light. Yes, now we can focus. Observe everyone. Observe properly all the speakers, because at the last I will ask for your votes as well. Not your votes on the basis of emotional attachment or friendship, but your votes on the basis of logically observation. That whose speech was quite inspiring or quite motivating or quite exactly hypnotizing and mesmerizing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come to the point कि ज़िंदगी जीना आसान नहीं होता, बिना संघर्ष के कोई महान नहीं होता, और जब तक ना पड़े हथौड़े की चोट कोई भी पत्थर भगवान नहीं होता. इसलिए तेरा नाम है सीता, तेरा नाम है गीता, तेरा नाम बबीता, और तू खाए पपीता. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि लेट्स वेलकम अदर पीपल एज वेल. वो कहते हैं कि गज़ब का है तेरा रूप, गज़ब का है तेरा स्टाइल. कभी कभी अंग्रेज़ी बोलने आती नहीं और हाथ में है सैमसंग गैलेक्सी मोबाइल. तो लेट्स welcome and let's come to the next speaker. And the next speaker I'm going to welcome here, ladies and gentlemen, with your focus, with your glance and glimpse, I would like to call the another performer of the day. Focus, open your eyes. Let's give a great welcome and round of applause for Garima ma'am. Welcome on the stage.
So, very good morning to all of you. And today my topic is right attitude as positive attitude. So, उड़ान तो भरनी है चाहे खुद से ही क्यों ना लड़ना पड़े. उड़ान तो भरनी है चाहे खुद से ही क्यों ना लड़ना पड़े. अब अपने लड़ने की बारी है चाहे दुनिया से क्यों ना लड़ना पड़े. तो ग्रेट.
But really a very cute accent you have. Nervous? कोई बात नहीं, आज नर्वस है, कल लोग को बेबस कर देंगे. आज नर्वस है, कल लोग को बेबस कर देंगे, और फंस नहीं दिखाएंगे, लोग को हंस कर देंगे. हंस मतलब शांत कर देंगे. राइट. यू हैव अ रियली वेरी क्यूट एक्सेंट, राइट, एंड यू मस्ट एक्चुअली like वर्क ऑन दिस, एंड यू मस्ट नेक्स्ट टाइम यू मस्ट जस्ट रिप्रेजेंट योर. तो वही तो दिक्कत है, भूलने क्यों. परेशान है ना मेंटली, तो यही दिक्कत है. राइट. मेंटली परेशान नहीं होना है, फ्लेक्सिबल होना है काफ़ी. राइट. रोहित सर, अपने एयरपोर्ट को दिखाइएगा. कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू? हाउ इज अस? Macho man. All right. Okay. That's interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a great topic, that the great point of saying and telling that never give up in your life. Right? आधी दूर रास्ता चल के मैं हिम्मत नहीं हारूंगा, जब तक नहीं पाऊंगा अपनी मंजिल तब तक गाड़ी को नहीं रोकूंगा। तो वही वाली बात है। तो नेवर स्टॉप योर कार, नेवर स्टॉप द स्पीड। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, फोकस हियर एंड लेट्स वेलकम द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर। दिल थाम के बैठिए और ताली पे ताली बजाते रहिए, अभी मत बजाइए बोलो। तो लेट्स वेलकम द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर एंड द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर आई एम गोना कॉल। Please put your hands together for Mr. Miraj. Welcome on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please give.
Having an energetic morning to respected teachers and a beautiful morning all of you. Today I am very excited to share my opinion about education. अशिक्षित को ज्ञान दो, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान। अशिक्षित को ज्ञान दो, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान। शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है मेरा भारत देश महान, मेरा भारत देश महान। What is education? Education means standing in order to obtain a deeper knowledge of a variety of subjects to be applied to daily life. Education is not limited to just knowledge from books, but can also be obtained through practical experience outside of the classroom. Why we are here? Because for learning English. Why? Because we want to be educated. This is a part of education. Education improves our personality and attitude. If you want to achieve your goal and dreams, after you need to education. Without education, it is impossible. There are many different understanding and definitions of what education. Education gives personality. Education gives us quality. Education gives us standard. Education gives us discipline. Without education, it is impossible. If you want to be Dr. Rajendra Prasad, without education, it is impossible. If you want to be great speaker, without education, it is impossible. If you want to be great motivational speaker, without education, it is impossible. If you want to be like Abdullah sir, without education, it is impossible. If you want to be doctor, without education, it is impossible. जब छलांग समुद्र में लगा ही ली तो अब खाली हाथ नहीं आना। जब छलांग समुद्र में लगा ही ली तो अब खाली हाथ नहीं है आना। अब हमने भी ठान लिया है कि शिक्षित इंसान बनकर ही जाना। अब हमने भी ठान लिया है कि शिक्षित इंसान बनकर ही जाना।
Fabulous Miraj. What a huge transformation Miraj got. Yes, please give up. ग्रेट कॉन्फिडेंस यू हैव गेन। और सबसे अच्छी लाइन आपने ये बोल दिया, अब्दुल्ला सर वाला नाम बोल दिया आपने यार, ज़बरदस्त। राइट, आदमी को अपने नाम से मक्खन वाला प्यार होता है, समझ रहे हो आप? तो ये अच्छा लगता है, दिल को बड़ी तसल्ली होती है कि हाँ राइट। लेकिन हम उतने काबिल नहीं है, अभी बनना है काबिल, मेहनत कर रहे हैं। अरे वाह, आपने इतना फील किया।
वो आपको उतना फील करते हैं जितना एक गॉड को जितना फील करते हैं उससे ज़्यादा आपको।
अरे नहीं,
यस आप हमारे गॉड हैं।
नहीं, अरे इतना मत बोलो, नहीं तो गॉड नाराज हो कि मेरा घर तोड़ दे। राइट, और पता समझ रहे हो, OMG मूवी देखे हो ना, अर्थक्वेक आता है जो है कि परेश रावल की दुकान जा,
ये कहते हैं कि एक गुरु
गॉड इज़ डिफरेंट। मैं बस छोटा सा हूँ, और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका ये इज़्ज़त के लिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड यस, तो चलता रहूँगा पथ पर, चलने में माहिर बन जाऊँगा, या तो मंजिल मिलेगी, अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाऊँगा। सो वी ऑल आर वॉकिंग द रेस ऑफ द लाइफ। ज़िंदगी की रेस में, उड़ान में, चलान में हम लोग चल रहे हैं। कुछ सीख रहे हैं, कुछ सिखा रहे हैं, कुछ बदल रहे हैं, कुछ बदलाव ला रहे हैं, कुछ ले रहे हैं, कुछ दे रहे हैं, किसी को हंसा रहे हैं, किसी को रुला रहे हैं, कभी खुद रो रहे हैं, कभी खुद मुस्कुरा रहे हैं। ज़िंदगी में बस यूँ ही चले जा रहे हैं। सो लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज़ focus here and give the great concentration and focus to the speaker who is going to come on the stage. Open your eyes and open your ears Open your mind to observe the words and observe the person. रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई लाई लाई, रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जब जब मुझ पे है उठा सवाल, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए। ओ जग से हारा नहीं मैं, खुद से हारा हूँ माँ, एक दिन चमकूंगा लेकिन तेरा सितारा हूँ माँ, माई रे तेरे बिन मैं तो अधूरा रहा, माई रे तुझ बिन मेरी जिंदगी फना, हाँ माई रे हाँ। All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. And let's call the next speaker.
Are you happy? Yes. How? How do you express that you are happy?
By smiling.
By smiling. That is smiling. Smiling share our happiness with others, and it is also showing our impression to others, and love, kindness, and appreciation to others. Now when we are performing on the stage, seeing some friends and colleagues are smiling and cheering to make us better and probably have a better day ahead. Can you tell why everyone is decreasing in this world? I hope your answer will be due to the lack of happiness or smile. Now, there is number of people are suffering from heart attack, BP, and depression, and so on. And there is every age category they have been facing in problems and in worried and concerned that children are taking tense of scoring a good mark in school. Teenagers are worried about the career, and adults are worried about the family responsibility and social responsibility. Old age people are concerned with health issues. There is only one cure for all this. I am going to tell about some story that as we know that the Chhath Puja is upcoming, that there is reservation is totally full. That the boy had booked the ticket was waiting. The train was standing on the platform, and he is also standing. And the boy was consulted to the TT to manage the seat. The boy said to TT that, "Excuse me, sir." He doesn't reply and ignore it. And again he replied, "Excuse me, sir." Then TT replied that what? उस बंदे ने उसको पूछा कि सर कुछ सीट मैनेज हो सकती है, मेरे टिकट बुक है, वेटिंग में है, तो वेट करो स्टेशन पे। तो उसने बोला सर मेरे को जाना है, फेस्टिवल है, छठ पूजा है। तो ठीक है, ट्रेन तो पूरा खचाखच भरी है, तो कहाँ बैठोगे, माथे पर? सर कहीं तो सीट दिला दो। ठीक है 2000 रुपया दो, मैं सीट देता हूँ। तो दिया उसने बोला कि ठीक है S9 में चले जाओ। ठीक है सर, ठीक है 72 में चले जाओ। ठीक है सर, वहाँ नहीं जाना है, सामने जो फ्रंट में वॉशरूम है उसमें जाना, उसके बगल में वो बाथरूम में मत जाना, उसमें तो लेडीज भरी हुई है, उससे सामने वाले वॉशरूम में जाके बैठ जाओ। That's why in this story I want to tell that there is laughing. Laughing is a medicine, and laugh is termed as a smile. If we laugh once in a day, they reduce our stress and ability to increase our age and improve our body system. Smiling during difficult times take a lot of optimism and hopes. In plastic smile can play with your emotions, and it can destroy your heart, destroy your trust and dream. That I am telling about the bad plastic smile. That you are, as we know, that you are heard about the moonlight. The employee are showing a fake smile that you are comfortable in our office, and they smiling to us in front of boss. They are breaking the trust of company. At last, I want to tell that people are as happy as they make up their mind to be. Wrote by Abraham Lincoln. Thank you. Keep smiling.
All right, take care. All right, see you next time. Always. अच्छा हाँ लाओ रखें Okay, it's great. Finished, खत्म. मुझे अभी भी नमकीन लग रहा है. Right, okay. Let's welcome the next speaker, and I want to call Mr. Shubham. Welcome on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Today I present a topic of women empowerment to encourage a woman, and she said, "Be a man. Be a man." But man is nothing without a woman. And you know, the Indian culture gives a woman respect. And you know, our many gods are female, like Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. But women gives an important role in our society, where our mother, wife, teacher, sister, etc. But the major hurdle is our society is gender inequality. When you see our society to encourage a man to give a right education, but the other side, the female is to encourage learn household work. The government and several NGOs give effort to this side, like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan and Nari Puraskar Abhiyan and much more things. But the real meaning of gender inequality, to eliminate the to caution to empower movement. But we give an opportunity to women to as equal as men. I would like to end my speech with a quote. When you educate a man, you educate a single man, but you educate a woman, you educate a whole society.
Right, Mr. Shubham. Please have this popcorn. Okay. He's a popcorn master. Honor of popcorn, right? Interesting. एक ना तो रिजवान सर एक पिक जो है 2-4 ले लीजिए. राइट, सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं. राइट, उसके बाद जो है फिर से कंटिन्यू करते हैं. राइट.
Your CIBIL score, it is maintained to limit your CIBIL score very nicely, very precisely. So and I will move another part of the monetary policy, the quantitative and the qualitative approach of the monetary policy. The quantitative approach of the monetary policy are 3 types: the rates, ratios and open market operation. Rates are 2 types: the bank rate and repo rate, and also the reverse repo rate. Bank rate is that
NEET exam, and you know, in first 2 year he was not preparing well, and he got a less marks, and he got a less marks for in NEET exam, and he was not able to clear the NEET exam. But his friends cleared the NEET exam, but he was not, because he was not well prepared. And still he was doing hard work, and now the time is changed, the time is success, and this was his 3rd year, and he got a maximum marks in NEET exam, and he took a admission in MBBS college of and he took a admission in Government College of MBBS. कहते हैं ना, सक्सेस की खास बात यह है कि वो मेहनत करने वालों के पीछे झक मार कर आती है. सो माई स्टोरी इज एंडेड हियर, एंड द मोरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज वी शुड नेवर गिव अप, वी शुड ट्राई टिल वी गॉट दी सक्सेस. सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिनको छत तक जाना है, कि सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिनको छत तक जाना है. अरे आपकी मंजिल तो आसमां है, रास्ता आपको खुद बनाना है. एंड at the last I want to dedicate you a motivational song. Is may I? माना कि मुश्किल है सफ़र पर सुन ओ मुसाफिर, हाँ कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर. कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, कर फैसला, रख हौसला, तुझे वक्त बदलना है. हाँ रुकना तू बंदिया, मुड़ना तू बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया. रुकना तू बंदिया, मुड़ना तू बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया. थैंक यू सर.
Amazing popcorn. Great. Amazing, great confidence, great transformation. Rukshar, you have also got great transformation. अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस आपने लाया है अपने अंदर, बहुत अच्छा. तो रुकना बंदिया, चलते रहना बंदिया. ऑलराइट, दैट्स अमेजिंग. ढोलपुर, आपका ढोलपुर सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. देयर वाज अ बॉय इन ढोलपुर. ये ढोलपुर किसने रखा है? जबरदस्त. अच्छा, हाँ अच्छा है, अच्छा है.
छोटा भीम में भी तो ढोल.
अच्छा ढोलकपुर. अच्छा मुझे लग रहा है कि ढोलपुर अगर ना देखना हो, मतलब देख नहीं पा रहे, तो आप पुलकित को देख लो. ढोलपुर इधर ही बैठे हुए हैं. ओके, दैट्स नाइस. इट वाज ग्रेट स्पीच. लेट्स वेलकम द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for.
Actually, let's example. I was on the way and I was in my car, and there was a red light and I stopped my car. I have 2 options. Either I can jump from the car, either I can wait for the green light. So you have 2 options. Hope, last उम्मीद. एक जब किसान रेगिस्तान में खड़ा होता है, रेगिस्तान बंजर ज़मीन पे खड़ा होता है और ये होप करता है कि गॉड बारिश कर दो, गॉड बारिश कर दो, बारिश कर दो। जब वो बारिश होती है तो उसकी उम्मीद पे पानी फिर जाता है। पानी ओ वाला नहीं फिरता, पानी ओ फिरता है जो उसको पानी चाहिए होता है। तो आज की उम्मीद क्या है आप लोग की? What is your hope for today? You are going to break a leg or you are going to just be hopeless? You are just going to break a leg or you are just going to break a leg or you are just going to be hopeless? What is your choice, guys? What is your choice? You are going to break a leg? Yes. Say yes. Yes. I will win. Yes. I will can. Yes. I can. Yes. I can do. I can win. I can run. I can break a leg. Khata. Tata. Bye bye. That's all. Now, इसी होप के साथ, इसी उम्मीद के साथ, now I'm going to call that person and who is going to break a leg even and who always break a leg, and he's a motivational speaker as a speaker. Please, Muhammad Abdullah sir, please come here.
They loved each other a lot and they wanted to marry with each other. But once birth happened, the girl got an accident by the car, and due to that accident, she lost her eyes. That accident changed her life because she couldn't see anything. She became blind. She became hopeless and helpless because nobody was there to help her except his partner. Her partner couldn't see her in that situation. So he gave his own eyes to her so that she can see again. But after some time, when she got the eyes, she forget his partner. वो अपने partner को भूल जाती है. She forget the sacrifices by her partner. She forget the eyes given by her partner, and she forget everything. This is what happens nowadays. This is what happens in our society. We all forget. We forget the sacrifices by our parents. We forget the nurture, the care, the love, and feed and sleepless nights of our parents. People will avoid you when you are over available to them. People will avoid you when you will give your overtime to them. But they will going to miss you when you will leave them. It happens nowadays that we all forget everything. We all forget emotions. We all forget love. We all forget care. We all forget everything. God can see us every time, but our parents can feel us every time. Outsider will help you by showing off, by fake, but your parents will help you by their inner heart. At last, I want to say that never forget those who love you. Never forget those who care you. Never forget those who support you. That's all about me. Thank you so much.